Scottish philosopher and a critical exponent of empiricism, experience, and skepticism, David Hume said, "Nothing is more surprising than the easiness with which the many are governed by the few," meaning the few actually have always been in control of everything that the many think, say, and do in all their lives and in all their actions, conversations, and relationships in one way or another, even though they are not always willing to acknowledge it or admit to it, obviously because the many are frustrated, desperate, hopeless, envious of one another's success, prosperity, achievement, or possessions. And the many also have always been found to be struggling with their own problems and crises, such as financial, educational, monetary, economic, societal, etc. The many are always in suffering, sadness, sorrow, and they are also always dealing with unwanted misfortunes, unexpected tragedies, and undesirable suffering, trouble, etc., that cripples their mindset and obviously limits their ability to either raise questions, challenge the hegemony of the government, or basically to overthrow the whole power structure itself, which is immoral, unjust, and steeped in corruption, criminality, discrimination, injustice, inequality, and the other evils as well. So the many are basically not able to either revolt or rebel against the politicians or the government itself, and all is evil because they're always busy in their lives either acquiring education, earning money, or dealing with numerous kinds of problems that the few don't have in their lives, because the few have the means and the modes of production in their hands. They have the possessions, the wealth, the money, the influence, with the help of which they basically are able to control almost each and every one in the society and in the country as well, and that includes the government and the politicians. And that means the politicians or the so-called leaders are basically bribed, and they are in the pockets of the few people that run the whole country and the whole systems and organizations, because they are the bureaucrats, the capitalists, the businessmen that count in billions. Meanwhile, we are dying in poverty, discrimination, unemployment, lack of education, opportunity, etc. But it is also very surprising to know that the many are being ruled with ease by